Welcome back to Destroy It, and we are going to take this pool right here, fill it full of water, happening now, and then we're gonna put that boat inside of it. And here is the boat. It is a 20-foot Starcraft, apparently, and I have never actually ever seen a boat inside of a pool. So of course we're going to try to keep this intact and try to keep the pool intact, because otherwise this channel would be called Destroy It. No, stick around, because we're gonna put this boat in the pool and we're not gonna be careful about it. Then we're gonna call a pool cleaning company to come and help us get rid of the floaties in our pool. We've got the whole entire crew here. It's time to hook up the boat and put it in the pool. The pool water is as full as it's going to get. We have no clue actually what's going to happen when we back the boat over there, whether we even have enough room. Actually, it doesn't matter.
I think it's gonna flood the entire neighborhood.
It is gonna actually probably flood
something.
Okay, now that we have it in the water, the next step is to get it out of the water, and a boat should theoretically be able to get itself out of the water, right? It has a motor. Ready?
The wind is blowing up.
Dude, the storm's getting bad. We gotta get out of here. Give me back. Give me back. All the way back. That's the stupidest thing I've done all week.
That's the coolest thing ever, man.
He's not even married yet.
So what we're having problems with is we are trying to get the boat completely out of the pool without any assistance from the trailer or anything else. We're almost there, we got so close. But we need more power to start off in the back to push us up. We're not getting power until about halfway, so.
There we go.
Not enough.
It's not enough. We need more. Yeah?
Hold on, my bad.
We're rocking.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
There we go.
Dude, it's banging up my paint job.
Son of a... Okay.
Yeah, it is. It's all messed up now.
I thought for sure we were gonna lose it back there when it started.
I thought so too when it's jumped up like
I
that.
think it did bust.
Did it?
One
One
break
of the
right
fins,
there.
yeah?
This
The
is
fin's
like-
down on the bottom.
Oh, is it busted off?
Yeah, look.
Well, no, the camera's way down there too.
What? I got fiberglass in my arm.
Nice.
Okay,
You got
now,
it.
Here, I'll take it.
Oh no.
Yeah, so look. See all those little hives? I mean, the fiberglass is in my skin. It's all itchy now.
Well, I want to see.
This is all
You hear it
fiberglass.
whistling
Oh my
like that?
gosh.
See? And it's poking through the paint because it's
But it
old.
needs to come up just a little bit for that pin to go in, I think, friend.
Okay.
It does, yeah.
I'm gonna close my window now. I'm closed. Until we're out of gas, come back, and we're out of gas right now. We'll fill up and then we'll be ready for business again.
Francis, turn around.
What?
Did you have an accident?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a little scared the first time we ran into the side.
fire pit. You're gonna have to buy a new one. Oh my.
Okay, so now we gotta get over there. Sarah, my wife just texted me and she says, "Did you get out of the pool?" Question mark. What food do you want me to get? Now that, boys, is how you choose a wife. I'm concerned now because I don't think we fully thought this out. The boat is faced that way. We need to get it faced that way. And as soon as we move it that way, it's gonna fall back into the pool.
So Johnny, hear me out. I've got my car out front. It's got hooks on the back, 4-wheel drive. We can hook one end of the ratchet straps we were using earlier to the
Okay, I
front
like
of the
it. Let's
boat.
do it. Let's do it.
Pull
I
it
like
out?
it. Let's do
Okay,
it. Okay,
sweet.
go get it.
What if we just do it with the Hyundai?
No, I like it.
Or the Impala.
No.
So we're on dirt. I don't know if that's gonna... I'm just gonna dig a hole. This is gonna be bad because we're on mud.
Or something with your car.
Yeah, something.
Wait, why'd you get out of the boat? You should ride in it.
Are we ready for this? For
Are
real?
you
Is that one
gonna
going?
ride in it?
Hop in there, Johnny.
Mara, will you get a video from that angle?
Or I will and you drive.
Dude, we can get in there.
Okay.
Because again, if
just
it
keep going,
pulls,
no matter what happens.
we don't want to go over top. Like,
Yeah, we're just kidding. You want
That
to
would
be
be-
safe.
yeah, we got to be
Safety
safe.
first. That's our motto.
Thank you. Write that on the window next time. Okay, this is very important. We're on channel 3. Let's just communicate here. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, you ready?
Safety first.
All right, perfect.
It's working. Hold on, right there. What? This is working. Are you ready, Drake?
Copy. 10-4. Over.
Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the boat or the pool right now, but I'm looking at it and we're in pretty good position here.
Okay, sounds good. Is there any adjustments that need to be made?
You gotta stop talking over me, dude.
Okay, over.
All right, take her away, Drake.
Ándale.
Are you serious? Are you serious? That boat was in this pool and we didn't have to pull it out. Oh, dude, that'd be so stupid. That would be when the cops come.
Yeah, but
No cops.
Whoops.
Dude, don't break the fiberglass.
they don't call him Hercules for nothing. Right.
Okay, now we get it. Oh, it's the other way.
Probably got all sorts of water in
Too
here.
much water.
Come on, is there any water in there? Yes. Ugh.
Get that.
Ugh.
Oh my gosh.
That's oil water.
No, that's just brown. Okay, here we go. Look how crooked this is. Just a little bit.
Good job.
Hey, we're only about 14 inches off.
Okay, so
Okay, let's lift and push.
you're saying wait? You saying pull it off?
Yeah, let's dump it back in the pool.
Dump it back.
Yeah, and then we'll
Call
get it
that
out.
smoke tank.
1, 2, 3.
On metal pole, bud.
This way, guys.
Yeah, the trailer's
We're moving the trailer. Is the problem.
Oh, the trailer lifting up?
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Yeah, those guys are tough, man.
3 hours dipping a boat into the pool and getting it back out. Couldn't have done it without these guys. Way to go. I'll send you a text later thanking you somehow. I'll buy you dinner. How's that?
Nice.
Thanks for joining us. Come back next time. Of course, in the comments, we want to hear what you can come up with because try and top that, yo. We love you guys. Never forget that. You are worth it. Destroy it.